Reliable, trustworthy data is critical for success, if not survival. For decades, organizations have relied on data warehouses within their data centers, and more recently, data lakes. As organizations strive to modernize their data infrastructures, cloud data warehouses and data lakes are receiving the most attention and investments. These systems are repositories that can store large volumes of data for analysis. For many use cases, such systems are viable. However, as the only repository, they cannot address today's data challenges. Why? Because data is and will remain distributed. Think about your environment. You likely use object storage, relational databases, NoSQL databases, data warehouses, and graph databases, not to mention SaaS services and on-premises applications. Consolidating the data from all these systems into a single repository in this hybrid, distributed data landscape is impractical. You need to embrace a distributed data landscape by adding a logical data management layer atop this landscape to make it easy for business users to integrate, manage, and deliver data securely for timely, better-informed decisions. A logical data management layer provides access to data across all systems without needing to copy or replicate it into a single repository. Users are presented with a logical, business-friendly view of the data that enables them to find, query, and analyze the distributed data as if it were in a single integrated data source, even if the data is stored in the different systems in various formats, locations, or latencies. The underlying complexity of the distributed data landscape is hidden from the end user. You also need to make it easy for users to find the data they need. For this, the logical data management layer provides a data catalog that makes finding the right data as easy as shopping on Amazon. Users can search for the exact data they need. The data can be classified into different categories to help them narrow down their search. Other users can add comments so users have confidence in the data. Even better, the layer uses an AI-powered recommendations engine to suggest data that may interest that user based on past queries and usage. Further, the logical approach to data management helps with data security as well. Rather than trying to enforce consistent security and governance policies at each data source, you can now do that enforcement at the centralized data access layer. Advanced security features such as attribute-based access control, ABAC, enforce security policies for data access. The policy engine defines and enforces security policies, which can be configured based on a variety of factors, including data sensitivity, user roles, and business requirements. They also can integrate with existing security and governance tools. The Denodo platform is the leading logical data management platform, allowing IT teams to provide a modern, flexible data infrastructure that empowers business users to connect to a single location for real-time access to quality data throughout the organization and provides security and compliance teams with a centralized point from which to monitor and manage all data access.